No matter where you live or what you own, if it's on four wheels, you should have a dash camera. Dash cameras are essential. They can save you a world of trouble in case you get into a hit and run, in case you observe an accident and you're not even the one involved. I've actually helped quite a few people that way. Or in case you want a little peace of mind while your vehicle is parked at night. And for this, I recommend this little guy. I've tested a lot of different dash cams, and I love to see what's out there these days. At the bare minimum, make sure you have a two-way dash camera that loops. And nowadays you're seeing more and more features. And the camera comes with everything you expect out of a modern camera, even a few extra features. You have 4K resolution for both front and rear. You have the Travis 2 system. Furthermore, you also have 170-degree angle, so you get a nicer, wider angle on it. You have the SD card included in it, which is loop recording. If you ever do get into an accident or an incident, there's a separate folder for events. If you want to get those events off of it, you want to get that footage off of the camera, you can connect it via Wi-Fi right to your phone. Or if you want, you can just take out the SD card, take it home, offload the footage there. If you want to do the Wi-Fi, you just go to the Wi-Fi option, nice, easy to find. Scan it with your phone, you get the app, and you can be connecting it directly. Furthermore, you also have the G sensor on it. The G sensor is going to make sure that if you have it hardwired in, which personally I do recommend get the hardwire kits, because you can have it wired in where A, it's not taking up an AC outlet, and you're also going to have that parking protection. The G sensor allows that if the camera gets hit when it's parked, it comes on and it records for you whoever was the culprit that hit you. In the kit, you get a pry tool, you get your rear camera, you get all the wire to go running to it no matter how long your vehicle is. You also get the SD card with it, so when you install it, which you have a suction mount. I really like the suction mount ones because you can take the unit out of the car it's in, and let's say take it with you when you travel, which is something I do often, plug it in there. When you do have it connected and you're using it to be backing up, you have a nice big screen. It's not touch screen, but that's not really necessary because you do have a few buttons on the sides to be using it. And also I like its overall design. It's not a very bulky unit. It does hang down a little bit lower, but it is more compact, so it doesn't take up a lot of real estate. And you get a good view no matter what you're doing. The image quality on it is great. I really like that. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay safe on the road.